AI images on t-shirts, mugs, and posters, sold while you sleep, with no inventory, no printer, and no design degree. Print on demand is the classic passive income play, and AI just removed the hardest part. Here is the full tutorial, with the honest math at the end. Step 1. Pick a niche that already buys, not art you think is pretty. Combine a passion with a moment. Think fishing dads, nurses on night shift, cat moms at Christmas. The catch: generic designs drown among millions. A design for somebody beats a design for everybody. Step 2. Generate your designs with a free AI image tool. The trick is the prompt. Ask for a flat vector-style illustration, bold colors, plain background made for a t-shirt print. The catch: check the commercial license of the tool you use before you sell a single item. Step 3. Make it print-ready. Remove the background, fix the weird details, and upscale to around 4500 pixels at 300 dpi with a free upscaler. The catch: raw AI output prints badly, and AI text is often misspelled. You are the final proofreader. Step 4. Upload to print-on-demand platforms. Redbubble and TeePublic are free, they print and ship everything. Printify connected to Etsy gives you more margin, but Etsy charges a small listing fee. The catch: platform fees eat your cut. Expect $2 to $5 profit per sale, not 20. Step 5. Let AI write your titles and tags. Paste your design idea in and ask for the exact words buyers type, like funny nurse shirt or fishing gift for dad. The catch: search is everything here. The best design in the world earns nothing if nobody ever finds it. Now the honest math. Most designs never sell. This is a volume game. People who upload 100+ designs in one niche usually see their first sales after a few weeks, and it grows from there. Passive income comes after the work, never before it. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.